Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage style country farmhouse decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Vintage style country farmhouse decor blends rustic charm with nostalgic elements, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Here are some useful tips for achieving a vintage style country farmhouse decor in your home. Start with a neutral base. Use soft whites, creams, and muted pastels for walls and furniture. Keep flooring natural with wood, stone, or rustic tiles. Incorporate vintage and antique finds. Visit flea markets, thrift stores, and antique shops for unique decor pieces. Look for weathered furniture, old trunks, vintage kitchenware, and distressed mirrors. Mix old and new. Pair antique furniture with modern farmhouse accents to keep it fresh. Use vintage-inspired lighting, such as lantern-style pendants or Edison bulb candeliers. Embrace natural materials. Incorporate wood, linen, burlap, and rattan for a warm, organic feel. Use oven baskets for storage and decor. Add plastic and reclaimed wood elements. Use burnt wood for shelving, headboards, or coffee tables. Install shiplap on walls for a classic farmhouse look. Use farmhouse-style accessories. Display old messengers, vintage milk jugs, and galvanized metal buckets. Incorporate distress signs with farmhouse courts or country themes. Create cozy spaces. Use soft, layered textiles like chunky knit straws, vintage coils, and linen cushions. Arrange furniture in a way that encourages gathering and relaxation. Bring in farmhouse florals and greenery. Decorate with dried lavender, eucalyptus, or cotton stems in ceramic pitchers. Use wildflowers or vintage-style floral prints on fabrics and wallpaper. Focus on simple, functional design. Offer open shelving in kitchens to display dishes and decor. Choose practical, timeless pieces like a farmhouse sink or woodcut block counters. Personalize with handmade and dye touches. Repurpose old furniture with chalk paint for a distressed look. Dye with wood signs or handmade table runners for a personal touch. Layer different textures, combine raw and soft textures. Example, distressed wood with soft linen curtains. Use oven baskets, burlap, and galvanized metal to add depth. Choose the right flooring. Hardwood floors, preferably white plank and reclaimed wood, create warmth. Add vintage-inspired rugs like Persian, jute, or padded rugs for a cozy feel. Repurpose and upcycle. Transform an old leather into a blanket rack. Use vintage crates as shelves or storage bins. Convert an antique door into a tabletop or headboard. Keep it light and airy. Maximize natural light with sheer curtains or simple window treatments. Use light-colored walls and furniture to reflect light and create openness. Use chippy paint and distressed finishes. Offer weathered wood furniture with peeling or chippy paint for a time-worn look. Use chalk paint to give new furniture an aged appearance. Mix and match patterns. Layer gingham, floral, or digging stripe patterns on pillows, curtains, and table linens. Stick to a neutral color palette to keep the mix cohesive. Add a farmhouse porch. Use rocking chairs or a porch swing for a welcoming entrance. Decorate with vintage lanterns, wooden crates, and seasonal wreaths. Display vintage farmhouse collectibles. Collect and display old milk bottles, bread boxes, or kitchen scales. Use wooden dog bowls, ironstone pitchers, or puttcarved charms as accents. Create a cozy reading nook. Use a vintage armchair, a soft drawer, and a rustic bookshelf. Add a displaced side table with a lamp and a stack of old books. Incorporate handmade farmhouse signs. Use burnt wood planks to make tie farmhouse signs with handwritten codes. Display vintage metal signs with country sayings or farm motifs. Use barn doors for a rustic touch. Install sliding barn doors in place of traditional doors. Choose reclaimed wood or whitewashed barn doors for a vintage feel. Keep open shelving for an airy feel. Display vintage dishes, mugs, and mason jars on open shelves in the kitchen. Use wood and old iron brackets for a rustic look. Repurpose farmhouse items as decor. Use an old wooden ladder as a towel jack in the bathroom. Repurpose a vintage window frame as wall art. Turn an antique dresser into a bathroom vanity. Incorporate cozy fireplace elements. If you have a fireplace, use a stone, brick, or white shiplap for the surround. Decorate the mantel with vintage candlesticks, framed farmhouse prints, and greenery. If you don't have a fireplace, add a fox vintage style wood stove for charm. Personalize with handmade quilts and textiles. Drape handmade or heirloom quilts over sofas and beds. Use hand-sewn and embroidered pillows for a cozy, personal touch. Decorate with farmhouse-inspired clocks. Large, oversized Roman numeral clocks fit perfectly in farmhouse decor. Thanks for watching the video.